Hey guys, breaking news. This is day 3 of our exploration of Los Angeles, California. We were originally destined to leave on November 7th, but due to some unforeseen circumstances, we have extended our trip to November 11th. My mom is gonna be so pissed. I'm so sorry, Mom. Hey guys, so as mentioned, this is day of exploration number 3. Our coffee spot for the day is called Chimney Coffee House. We are very close to the Hollywood sign, so we're gonna grab some coffee, grab some breakfast maybe, and then we're gonna head over to do the Hollywood sign hike. Very exciting stuff, guys, so stay tuned. Peace. Hey guys, this is today's breakfast. I'm sorry I already took 2 bites, but check it out. So we have started the Hollywood sign hike. We asked around and this is a good trail to follow. I think we're going to be taking a small detour to the back cave. Let's see if we find it. And then we're going to head over to the Hollywood sign. Very excited, guys. We already saw the sign. We saw signs that there are rattlesnakes present, so we have to be very careful, as well as mountain lions. So we are in full awareness going up this trail, so enjoy. It's hot, ladies and gentlemen. I think the long sleeve was a bad choice, was a bad call. Nah, no t-shirt. But we're gonna make it up there nonetheless. Nevertheless.
Hey.
Guys, we're about 5% into the hike.
And the shirts have come off.
And we have down dressed a bit. It is way too hot. I think we made a horrible mistake of not bringing some water.
Let's do it up there at the bridge.
But we're plowing through, guys. We'll make it. Like it or not. Guys, we're at the halfway mark to the Hollywood sign. We are parched. We should have brought water. That was a very big mistake, but we're almost there. We reached this checkpoint in the trail. Beautiful, beautiful views. And we are almost there. About a mile and a half left, guys. So guys, my GoPro died, but we made it to the Hollywood sign. 2 hours later, 4 miles of a hike in the blazing sun, no water. We made it, guys. What an amazing view. And check out the Hollywood sign right there. What's going on, guys? Today is day 5 of our Los Angeles, California adventure. We didn't do much recording yesterday, but we went to a sushi spot. I had a sushi spot for the first time ever yesterday. That was amazing. It was so good. We also went to the aquarium, and we visited other small spots, and I've included the footage here for you guys to check it out. Today we woke up, we're having some coffee at the shop called Lift. Great spot, great coffee, and we're just gonna chill today, take it easy, hit the pool, so stay tuned. I don't know why I'm scared. Hey guys, this is day 6 of our Los Angeles, California exploration. We are stopping today at Rise and Grind Coffee and Juice Bar to pick up some breakfast. Then we're going to go to the Walk of Fame and Beverly Hills to check out some houses. So I'm excited. Get excited. Stay tuned. Peace. Hey guys, so we just finished the Walk of Fame. A little bit anticlimactic, just expected a little bit more, but it was fun nonetheless, and we got to see a few icons that each one of us like. I guess we're headed to Beverly Hills now to check out some houses and then get something to eat. Cool.